C# is a general-purpose object-oriented static typed language. It was created in the year 2000 by Andrew Hejlsberg at Microsoft. Initially, it was criticized as an imitation of Java, but today it can be used in almost anything. Welcome back to my channel, Techno Savior. The platform that builds anything C#, desktop, web, IoT apps in .NET Core, web apps in Blazor, mobile apps using Xamirine, gaming using Unity. It has now evolved as one of the most popular and loved language to this day, making it the 6th most popular language by 2022. C# went open source with their Roslyn compiler in 2014, making the development platform independent. C# gets compiled into a common intermediate language which can be used by the CLR without the need for recompilation to run in any OS. C# lands into ML with their open source cross-platform machine learning framework. It's amazing how much a single language can offer. It's easy to get started. Learn C# by downloading now. This is 1 minute about C#. For more such content, subscribe to my channel.